Okay guys, we're going to do another review of this Niello full spectrum 45 watt LED light. It's actually got 223 lights in it, which is pretty amazing. And so because there's a cold snap coming, I had to throw a bunch more of these exotic potted plants into the basement here. We have a rock basement, and so we're going to kind of mimic the sunlight. So we're going to keep this on in the day, this ultra thin Niello LED grow light, and we'll turn it off at night. So I actually had it running last night. I did a review. It's actually 225 bulbs, sorry, not 223. And I'm very impressed with this light panel. It gives off a tiny little bit of heat, but it's more the light we're concerned about. So like I say, mimic that brightness of the sun, and we'll turn this off at night. So you can find these things on Amazon. And because we're in a dark rock basement, this is where I work out. It's hardcore where I work out. There's the rocks, no lie. This is where we store our palm seeds in here. And it's perfect temperature in here. It's about 11 degrees Celsius. So if you're looking for this, full spectrum LED grow light, you can find it on Amazon at growstore.com. This is the website I'm giving you, growstore.com. Question mark REF = WEW number 1 FN WE6. Okay, so remember that and look it up on Amazon. It's called the Niello Grow Light Full Spectrum, and you will be pleased with it. It's very well built and very easy to hook up. There's an off and on switch right there, so I can turn it off right here, and I can turn it back on. Just like that, okay? All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here, and get one of these grow lights for yourself. You will be impressed. Cheers.